Hello my dear students. Today we are going to see the next important term under Boolean expression, that is max term. In the previous class we have seen under the Boolean expression there are two terms, that is min term and max term. Min term, you already know, it is nothing but product of all the literals. What is a literal? Literal means a single variable in a term or an expression. So now we'll see what is a max term. Max term defines it is sum of all the literals. It is with or without bar within the given Boolean expression. So what does it mean? Let us take an example. It says x plus y, this is one term, into x. And what does max term means? It means sum of all the literals. Now under this expression, as you can see, there are two literals, x and y. This is one term, this is another term. Now let us take this first term, x plus y. Now this x plus y, it consists of all the literals which are present in this expression. That is why it can be said it is max term. Now coming to the next term, which is x. Here only x is present and y is missing, so it cannot be termed as a max term. So I hope you are clear. Max term, it is nothing but sum of all the literals within the given expression. It can be in the original form or it can be in the complemented form. Let's take the next example. Here it says x plus y complement plus z into x plus z complement. Now when we see this entire Boolean expression, there are totally three literals, x, y, z. Okay. So let's take the term x plus z complement. Under this term x plus z complement, y is missing, so it is not a max term. Let's take the next term, which is x plus y complement plus z. This consists of all the literals. That's why we can say it is a max term. So I hope with these two examples you get a clear idea what is meant by a max term, which means nothing but sum of all the literals. As you can see, this is the sum. It is consisting of all the literals. It can be in the original form or it can be in the complemented form. At least one form should be there so that all the literals are covered in the term. Then it is considered as a max term. Now let's see, if a given Boolean expression, it is not consisting of all the terms is the max term, then what are the steps to convert it to a complete max term expression? So let us see with example. So here are the steps involved in max term expansion of expression. What it says: first, convert the given expression into product of sum form. So as we have seen in the previous examples, there are products with different sum. How we have to convert this into product of sum form? In each term, if any variable is missing, then add that term with missing term into complement of that missing term. After adding that, you have to expand the expression. After expanding the expression, remove all duplicate terms. We get max term form of an expression. Now, let us take these steps and an example to understand how exactly we are going to expand the max term expressions. So it says, first convert the given expression into product of sum form. So here, now we are given with an Boolean expression which says x plus y into y plus z. Now, in this entire expression, as we observe, there are three different literals, x, y, z. And there are two terms. In this term, z is missing, and in this term, x is missing. Now, because these terms, literals are missing in these two terms, it cannot be said as a max term. Since max term says it should be sum of all the literals. And you can see, this is the product and these two are sum. That is why it says product of sum form. Now, how to convert it into complete max term expression? Take this first term, x plus y. And what it says, add that term which is missing. How? Missing term into complement of that missing term. So I have taken plus z into z complement. Coming to next one, here x is missing. So take x into x complement plus y plus z. Okay. Now we have to expand this. To expand, I am using distributive law which says x plus yz results in x plus y plus x plus z. So this can be taken as x and this can be taken as yz. So according to the distributive law, now it will be x plus y, x plus z. So the first term will be x plus y plus z, then x plus y plus z complement. Similarly, I am going to use here also distributive law and expand it. It says x plus y plus z, x complement plus y plus z, this term. So after expanding the expression, what we have to do? Remove all duplicate terms. Now check whether there is any duplicate term. Yes, we have x plus y plus z as duplicate term. One term should be discarded. And then we have to write finally the Maxterm expansion of that expression. So you are getting x plus y plus z, x plus y plus z complement. This is discarded as it is a duplicate term. Then x complement plus y plus z. So this is how we are going to have Maxterm expansion of expressions. Now let us take the next example which says a plus b plus c into a complement plus c. Now in this entire Boolean expression, if you observe, we are having three literals a, b, c. Okay. In this first term, c is missing. In the second term, b is missing. So we have to add those missing terms. So how we add? I say a plus b plus c into c complement. Then a complement plus c plus b into b complement. Now again we have to apply here distributive law. So it says a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c complement. Similarly, a complement plus b plus c, a complement plus b complement plus c. So now you check in this final expression, is there any duplicate term? So we don't get any duplicate term. So this becomes the final Maxterm expression. So I hope students you are clear with this term of Maxterm. Maxterm means it is sum of all the literals in the given Boolean expression. And if a given Boolean expression is not in its complete Maxterm form, then there are 4 steps which we need to follow to convert it into complete Maxterm expression. Okay. Now moving on to the next part. Now here we'll see how exactly we are going to draw the truth table for Maxterm expressions. First, let us consider two literals Maxterm. If there are two literals x, y. If there are two literals, we know that we get 4 combination of values. As you can see, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now, how do we write a Maxterm? If the literal is holding value 0, then it means it is the original term. Okay. If a literal is holding 1, then it becomes the complemented form in max terms. So now let's see how exactly we write the max terms. Now take the first combination, x is 0, y is 0. Since both the literals are holding value 0, we have to write them as original terms itself, which means x plus y. Since max term is sum of all the literals, so we have to take here plus. And each max term will have its designation, that is shorthand notation. And for max term, we use uppercase M, that is capital M. And here it is denoted with 0. Okay. Next, x is holding 0, y is holding 1. So now because x is holding 0, we write its original term as x. And y is holding 1, so we write it as the complemented form. So it becomes x plus y whole complement, and it becomes the next term m1. Then x is holding 1, y is holding 0. Since it is 1, it becomes a complemented form, and since it is holding 0, it becomes the original form, so it becomes x complement plus y, and then this becomes m2. Moving to the next one, it holds 1 and 1 here. So since both are holding 1, it becomes a complemented form for Maxterm. So it will be x complement plus y complement, and it is m3. This was the truth table for 2 literals. Now coming to the next one, we have the truth table for 3 literals. If we are having 3 literals, we already know we get 8 combination of values. Now coming to the first one, all the 3 are holding 0, 0, 0, so we get the original term x plus y plus z, and it becomes m0. Then you have 0, 0, 1, so it will be x plus y plus z complement m1. 0, 1, 0 means x plus y complement plus z, and becomes m2. 0, 1, 1, so it will be x plus y complement plus z complement m3. 1, 0, 0, since it is holding 1, it becomes complemented form x complement plus y plus z m4. 1, 0, 1, so it will be x complement plus y plus z complement m5. Next 1, 1, 0, x complement plus y complement plus z m6. 1, 1, 1, since all the 3 are holding the value 1, we get the complemented form only x complement plus y complement plus z complement as m7. So this is about the truth tables, how we are going to draw for Maxterms. Okay. So I hope students, you are clear with the term Maxterm. You are clear how we have to get an expansion of Maxterm and how to draw the truth table for 2 literals and 3 literal Maxterms. So based on this video, you will be receiving the assignment. So kindly go through it carefully and solve the assignments. Thank you.